All right, hi students. So I wanted to push out a review video of specific heat. So if you remember, I did a demo lab along the sidewall, and I had a heat lamp, and I had a beaker with sand, 1 kilogram of sand, a beaker with 1 kilogram of water, and then a beaker that was just the room air, all underneath the same heat lamp, at the same distance and everything. And then we were able to look at the thermometers to see that the sand was heating up quite a bit faster than the water, and the air was heating up a little bit. It was between the water and the sand. It wasn't heating up as fast as the sand, but it was heating up faster than the water. So let's talk about that and how it relates to specific heat. Whatever material heats up the fastest has the lowest specific heat index. That specific heat index is about how much energy is required to raise 1 kilogram by 1 degree Celsius. So water had the highest specific heat because it heated up the slowest. Slow heating is high index. Fast heating is low index. Get that in your head. So, for example, the bell ringer. If you walk on asphalt, then you step onto concrete, you notice that the asphalt is actually hotter. Why? Well, there's actually 2 things we've talked about that would play a role in that. Asphalt must have a lower specific heat because it got hot faster than the concrete. The other thing is albedo. Asphalt typically is black, and concrete typically is a light color. So the concrete's going to reflect more, and the asphalt's going to absorb more, which could be part of the reason why the asphalt has a lower specific heat. So hopefully you can understand those, all right? After we review that concept in class, we're going to play some rounds of Quizlet. I'm going to ask if there's any concepts that they need some additional help with. And then they're going to do page 255, the study guide, because we're coming up on the end of the chapter. This last lesson was the last lesson of chapter 7. We're going to be doing the study guide and the practice questions the rest of this week. Next week, I will not be here. Mrs. Myers will be my sub. And next week, class time will be used to complete the Learn Smart / SmartBook. So you'll have class time to do those, but you got to get on them and do them, okay, during class. Use your time smart. And then I have created a quiz that I'll push out to you. That is most of the questions that are on the test. And then next Friday, not this week, the following week, October 8th, you'll actually take the Chapter 7 test for a grade, all right? And that'll be the end of the 9 weeks, I believe. Pretty sure I'm pretty sure that's the end of the 9 weeks. So that test grade and your Learn Smart grade will be on your report card. So do a good job. You have plenty of time in class to get those done. There's no excuse not to get them done. And you have all kinds of material I've given you to use for studying. So use those tools to study. Actually study for this test, all right? I plan to push out a bonus piece on the test. That'll be some math that we've looked at in the last couple of days and during this chapter. All right? Okay. Reach out to me if you have questions.